recording it.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we saw some bounce back in the US market as the event got over. That the uh, minutes which came out yesterday was not giving any extra indications of any further what was there in the market. As such, market has taken it more of a neutral, and we had seen market coming off before this event, so we saw some bounce back in the market yesterday, and also in the futures market also the market is positive. Even Asian markets are also indicating positive trend. And what we see that though the bond yield continue to remain high at 4.3, some minor corrections was visible in the dollar index. Oil has moved up a bit more and up by almost around $0.5, and other commodity like iron ore and steels are seeing some softness. So overall indications from the international market are giving a positive signals. We had corrected yesterday as expected, but the correction may not last longer as the indication from the international markets are giving some positive signals. So we may see positive trend in the today's trade. Now request technical team to take up from here.
Yeah, good morning, all of you. See, yesterday we saw that Nifty faced the resistance around 22,000, 240 and 50 range, and yesterday managed to sustain 20,040 level. So today we expect a positive open and remain range bound during the day. Next immediate intraday resistance place around 22,140, and then if Nifty managed to close above and sustain these above, then we expect further rally towards again 22,240 and 22,300 level. Flip side, immediate support plays around 21,970. If Nifty break these level, then we expect further profit booking and pressure towards 21,800 and 700 at downside. So overall, today's we expect some positive open and remain a range bound during the day. Bank Nifty yesterday we saw that some important level has to manage study session, and that is 47,000. And if today if manage to sustain above 47,320 level and 400 and above level, then we expect further rally towards 47,600 and 48,000 and upside. First immediate support plays around 46x20 and below that 46600. So Bank Nifty also we expect some positive open. Fin Nifty immediate support plays around 20,000. 590 and 20,500 and downside. Intraday first immediate resistance around 20,740. If we break that level, then we expect towards 20,830 and 20,980 in about range. Stock specific, Concor looks positive. Glenmark also given a good rally last few trading sessions. And HUL also looks positive at current level. We saw that last two trading session, HUL also given good rally, and yesterday we managed to sustain important level. That HUL also looks positive at current level. Upside again 2470 and 2500 next immediate target for HUL. Downside 2360 and 70 is important support for HUL. ONGC also looks positive at current level. ONGC can sustain important level that is 270. If managed to sustain these level, then we expect this rally towards 290 and 298 in upside. And intraday 276 first immediate hurdle for ONGC. If managed to sustain these level for intraday session, then we expect further rally towards 290 to 98 level. Downside 270 to 68 is an important support for ONGC. That's it for technical derivative. I can get.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, seeing that in yesterday's session, major sell-off has been witnessed from the upper end towards the profit booking scenario type. But still, we are seeing that the put at a portion which is placed as support on the downside is still holding strongly towards the 22,000 to 21,800 mark. So till the time when Nifty is not giving closing below 22,000 mark on the future basis, till that point of time we might witness some strength in the market, and we might expect some range bound scenario also till that time Nifty is not managing to get a stable about 22,200 level, because at 22,200 level on the monthly basis we are seeing that almost around 17 million position of a call writer is there. So Nifty, once it manages to get stable about 22,200 level, then again we might see some fresh buying opportunity in the markets toward 22,500 to 22,800 level. So till the time Nifty is holding 21,800 level, till that point of time we might witness a buying opportunity in the market. But dip strategy can be initiated till that point of time. While we are seeing that the PCR yesterday closed at 0.84 level. The support for the PCR is at 0.78 level. Once if PCR goes below 0.78 level, then we might witness some cautious momentum, and India VIX at that point of time goes above 16.5 level, then there will be a confirmation for market to show some trigger towards a negative front. But till the time these both data points are not getting triggering on, till that point of time we might witness some buying opportunity in the market. While on the stock specific front, the counter that looks positive in today's trading session would be Gujarat Gas and Gujarat CP. These both counter we have seen that the short covering has been witnessed in yesterday trading session, and we might witness some fresh buying in next 1 to 2 days of trading session. So new long position can be created in Gujarat CP and Gujarat Gas. So that's it from Reddit front. Thank you.
Good morning. NBCC has received an in-principle approval from Greater Noida Authority to develop 5 Amrapali projects valued at almost 10,000 crores. So that's a good positive for NBCC. And Zen Technologies has received order worth 93 crores from Ministry of Defense. So that's positive for Zen. Thank you.
So one of the IPO is opening today. That is GPT Healthcare Limited. This is in hospitals. They have 4 hospitals in eastern part of India, 3 in Calcutta and 1 is in Agartala. The hospital are of mid size of somewhere around 150 beds. All hospitals are near about that. The overall number of beds are around 520, 570 beds. 561 beds as of 30th September. The thing is that they are their utilizations are reasonably okay, and the capex involved is comparatively lower, and the company generate good ROE in their businesses. And the valuations also offered is reasonable at around 18 times H1 annualized EV by EBITDA, whereas the industry similar type of company like other which are of a smaller size are trading somewhere higher than 20 times. The only negative part is that the near-term growth in the near-term growth is not visible, whereas if we see the long-term growth can come with two more hospitals which they had planned and which are likely to open in CY 25 and 26. They are in Ranchi and Raipur. And once those hospitals starts, then it will take at least 1 year to break even. So at least 2.5 year, the 2 year, the things will be more of a similar or marginal improvement will be seen, and the major improvement will be seen only after 2 years. So at such near-term looks, near-term growth will not be much. And as such, we had recommended this stock from a long-term perspective, and one can subscribe to the issue with long-term perspective as financials are good and valuations are reasonable. Apart from that, yesterday government has increased FRP for sugarcane. FRP is what is being paid by the mills to the farmer, and that has been increased to FRP increased by around 25 rupees, and that has increased to 34 rupees. Whereas if you see in UP, the mills pay SAP, that is state administered prices, which is already been increased by the UP government in January from 340 rupees to 360 rupees. So anyhow, UP mills are paying higher than FRP, which has been now increased to 340 rupees. So as such will not have any impact on the UP these things, but they may get some minor benefit because if once the FRP is increased, then administered price of the sugar also increases, and which is some minor benefit can be available to the UP sugar mills. And apart from that, there could be, because of FRP increase, there could be some increase in the ethanol price in the coming period. So that can have some positive. So this event is neutral for UP sugar mills, may have some impact on the mills in southern side or Bihar or something like smaller mills may have some impact. Apart from that, yesterday we attended the analyst meet of Quash Corp, which is the meeting was for the demerger which the company has announced, wherein they will be splitting the business into three parts. One will be the staff management, and then the other will be IT, wherein they do HR management and all, and third will be the more of a investments which the company has made. So the basic problem with the QS Corp in the past was that at consolidate level, they were not able to make ROE and ROCE. Whereas with this split, two of the company will be able to make ROE of around 20% plus, whereas the third company, which is investment company, will be in a development phase or incubation phase of the different businesses. So two businesses will start getting good valuations in the coming period. So this demerger can act as positive for Quash Corp, but this demerger will take at least 12 to 18 months. So that time period will be required, but the outlook for the Quash Corp for this demerger is positive. I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, we are expecting gold prices. If prices are sustaining above 62,000, then we are expecting some pullback till 62, 200, 250 to 300 levels. And if it is sustaining below 62,000, then a cautious sign, as prices may test 61,850 on downside. Silver also, if prices are sustaining above 70,500, then a pullback till 71, 200 is expected. Whereby for trading, one can also sell with a strict stop loss of 71, 550. In metal front, copper, we had witnessed prices testing 730 odd levels and correcting, witnessing some profit taking. Already prices have rallied from 700 odd levels to 730. So some profit taking is expected, and which might lead to 720 to 720 on downside. So selling around 727 with a stop loss of 732 is recommended. Zinc also, prices are correcting, witnessing profit taking, and should test 212 to 11 on downside. So selling around 214 is recommended with a stop loss of 215.70. In crude oil, yesterday we had witnessed prices consolidating from the 65.50 to 63.50 zone, and prices have taken the support area at the lower end. So we are expecting again a pullback till 65.50. So all in all looks positive. So buying around 64.30 is recommended, and maintain a stop loss of 63.50. On upside again, if prices are sustaining and closing above 65.50, we are expecting fresh buying, and which might take the prices till 66.50, 67 on upside. So watch out for that. Uh, Natural gas, yesterday we had witnessed prices witnessing a reversal, so buying on dips is recommended. 142, one can initiate a buy and maintain a stop loss of 135. Again on upside, it can test 155 to 160. But however, 160 we are recommended to book profits. For trading purpose, one can also sell around 160, as prices should resist the 160 zone. That's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session in USD INR, we are expecting some sideways momentum within a range of 82.90 on the lower end and 82.99 on the higher side. So, for intraday purpose, one can initiate a short positions around 82.98 to 82.99 levels with a stop loss of 83.05 for the target of 82.90 levels. And on the lower side, one can initiate a long positions around 82.90 levels with a stop loss of 82.87 for the target of 82.96 levels. And if prices breaks the level of 82.87 levels, then one can initiate a short positions for the target of 82.76 with a stop loss of 82.95 levels. In Euro INR, one can initiate a long positions in the range of 89.73 to 89.74 levels with a stop loss of 89.57 for the target of 89.99 levels. In GBP INR, one can initiate a long positions if we get some profit booking around 104.73 to 104.70 levels with the stop loss of 104.59 for the target of 104.94 and 105.10 levels. Thank you.